Would an extra $900 a day help you out? That's $27,000 a month and $328,000 a year. Would learning these skills help you? Of course, it doesn't happen overnight. It's a process. Everything is a process, and results aren't typical. Disclaimer. So don't be typical. Be coachable, take action, be consistent until you hit your income goals. So if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan, and I used to be a monk for 10 years. That's why I'm known as the seven-figure monk. And now I help people make money online in the digital marketing space so they can be happy and just live a life of freedom. So, long story short, the company that I was working for like 5 years, they decided to cut our pay in half. I was stressed out. I was frustrated. I didn't have a backup plan. And it was at that point when I realized jobs aren't safe because you're not in control of your income at a job. They can literally cut your pay or fire you at any time. So I made a decision that I never want to work for people ever again. Okay. Because there's basically two ways to make money. You can work for other people, which means you're exchanging your time for money, which is your most valuable asset. Time is your most valuable asset. So you're exchanging that for money. Okay. And you can never buy back a second. Once the second's gone, it's gone. So if you're working like 40 plus hours a week, then you're wasting your time and you're exchanging your time for dollars. It's not the best way to make money. You're missing out on memories with your family. You're not creating memories. You're not living a life of freedom. Okay. So the other way to make money is to become an entrepreneur, which means you have your own business or businesses. You're building multiple streams of income. You're building your asset column. So you're building assets. Assets can be like knowledge, businesses, real estate, stocks, things like that. You can look it up what assets are. But basically, there's assets that put more money into your pocket and liabilities take money out of your pocket. Okay. So, what I'm presenting to you today is an asset. This is a business in a box, which this is a turnkey business, which means you don't have to create a thing. You get four different digital products. So, you can earn 100, 300, 600, and $900 over and over again. You get an automated business. Okay. There's a community for training and support. There's live interactive mentoring from six and seven figure income earners to help you build your business. And the cool thing is, you're going to learn how to build multiple streams of income. Plus, you can earn 100% profit just by reselling these programs that we give you, the four different digital programs. And our top selling product sells for 900 bucks. Okay, so let me break it down. Right? You want to promote something that's in high demand. Just like so many businesses in the world, they promote things that are like high demand products. Like you can either create your own product or you can sell other people's products or do both. Okay, like look at Apple phones. Okay, for example. How many businesses sell Apple phones and make millions of dollars? Many, because that's a high demand product that people want. So what we promote are high demand products in the e-learning industry, which is the educational industry. So these products are information, okay, training, information, education. These are educational programs, and they teach you everything you need to know about how to make money online, how to build an online business, how to scale it to six and seven figures, how to build multiple streams of income, how to build your email list, how to automate your income so you can make money in your sleep, all kinds of stuff, how to create your own products, all kinds of stuff. So people like there's like millions of people every month searching for ways to make money online. Ask yourself, have you ever looked for ways to make money online? I did all the time, right? This isn't the wealth industry. It's an evergreen industry. The wealth industry, the health industry, and the relationship industry. You should always promote something in these industries because these industries never get old. Okay, they're evergreen. There's always people out there trying to improve their financial situation. There's always people out there trying to improve their relationships, and there's always people out there trying to improve their health. So you can never go wrong promoting products inside of that industry. And this is the wealth industry. Okay. So not only are you learning how to make money, but you're also teaching other people how to make money. So people are going online searching for ways to make money, and then they find our program and they buy it. And if hopefully they take action and they make a lot of money, they become rich and they live happily ever after. Right. That is the idea. So I used to search for ways to make money online all the time, and I failed miserably until I found this program. Now I don't search for ways to make money online because I found the way. I found the way, right? Compared to the other business models, this is the best because we earn 100% profit. You don't have to create a thing. You're in total control of your business. Like if you compare it to MLM, affiliate marketing, you're not in control if you do an MLM and affiliate marketing. Like you're still working for somebody else. It's a pyramid. Just like your job is a pyramid. The person at the top, they make the most money. Everyone else makes less. This is not a pyramid because we earn 100% profit per sale. Okay. And every other business model, online or offline, you can look it up too. They earn like 10 to 30% profit per sale. Yeah, sometimes more, sometimes less. Okay, I've seen some affiliate programs where they earn like 80%. I've seen that. Okay, but that's still not 100%. And you're still not in total control of your business. We earn 100%. Okay, big difference. Like that's a no-brainer right there. That should be like, oh, 100% profit. $900 is our top selling program. So just put in perspective. You get one sale a month, that's an extra 10K a year. You get 10 sales a month, that's an extra 100K a year. You get 1,111 sales. That's $1 million right there. Boom. Now you have a goal. Now you have a target. So I've compared all the other business models, affiliate, MLM, drop shipping, e-commerce, fulfilled by Amazon. They all take more effort because this is super simple. This is a beginner friendly business. They all take more effort, and a lot of them have monthly fees. We have no monthly fees, and they don't earn 100% profit, and they don't have a community like we do, which is a free bonus that you get where there's live mentoring from 6 and 7 figure incrementers. There's 50,000 people that help you build your business. So you got support, you got help, you got inspiration, you got motivation, you got live interactive training. I've never seen that personally. I'm not saying it doesn't exist, but I've never seen it. I've never seen a community like this. That's what separates us from the rest of the competition. I don't really think there is any competition because we earn 100% profit and we have an amazing community, live events, everything you need to be successful. So step number two, you need a way to automate your business. Okay. So we give you a pre-built, done for you, automated system, a sales funnel. I'll show you what it looks like in a second. So basically, someone goes to your link, they're inside of your sales funnel, they watch videos, and we send out emails to them on autopilot. So you don't have to get on the phone with people. You never have to talk to people. This is a rejection-free business. You never have to talk to people, and you never have to get on the phone with people. Total strangers will buy from you at any time once they're inside of your sales funnel. It's happened to me because all my customers, total strangers. So step number three, you need a way for people to discover your business. Just like you discovered me today if you're watching this video. How did you discover me today? Because every single day we have a 2 hour workday. It's a training in the program. What we do is create 3 pieces of content. We post it to social media. So there's 4 ways to promote any business. You can do paid advertising. You can do free strategies like posting content on social media. You can do warm outreach, which means you're bothering your friends and family. Or you can do cold outreach, which means you're trying to sell and pitch and bothering strangers. Okay. So we teach the free strategies so you don't have to pay for ads. You don't have to bother your friends and family. You don't have to pitch. You don't have to like DM strangers and cold call strangers, all that stuff. Okay, so 3 pieces of content a day. Very simple. Like we show you how to do everything step by step. There's training for everything. And then there's live interactive mentoring to help you get better at this. Like the whole point of the mentoring is just to help you make money faster and attract more money faster because every business needs more customers. So we help you attract more customers faster so you can make more money faster, right? So create 3 pieces of content a day. Very simple, right? And then you can go live, and then you can also post free ads. So I mostly focus on creating content and going live. I create 3 pieces of content, it takes me about 30 minutes. And I usually post way more than that because it's not hard. Like I'll like create 1 piece of content and I'll post it on like 6 different social media channels. Because the more you show, the more you sell. You want to get eyes on your business. The more eyes you get on your business, the better. So 3 pieces of content a day, going live. You can also go live. We teach you how to go live. We teach you how to do everything. Maybe you're a little nervous at first. So what? I was nervous too. I dropped my board. I was scared. I was going live. I got scared. I was shaking. I dropped my board, but I got over it. Now I go live every day like a champion. So you got to conquer your fears. But if you don't want to go live, you can just create more content or you can post free ads. So we do these things, okay, creating content, going live, posting ads. So we're driving traffic, we're sending people to our automations, right? We're building that email list. Once they're inside of our automations, they can buy from us at any time. So you can screenshot this if you want, okay? So that's basically the process. That's how it works. Really simple. You have a product, you earn 100% profit. You have an automated sales funnel that's doing the selling for you. And then all you got to do is build your email list by creating 3 pieces of content a day, going live, copying ads, and you can do as much of that as you want. But you got to be consistent. Like you got to do at least 1 to 2 hours a day, 30 minutes here, 30 minutes there. Okay. If you want consistent income, you got to take consistent action. Okay. So if you have any questions, drop it in the comments. If you want to learn more, just go here, sevenfiguremonk.com. There's a link in the description. Just put in your best email, okay? Put in your best email, check the spam, check the promotions folder for the word blueprint. If you have questions, you can reply at any time. If you see an opportunity, just get started. And if you want to unsubscribe, you just scroll down, you can unsubscribe at any time. So I'm going to show you what this business looks like, what you get. I'm going to show you the community and everything behind the scenes stuff. And that will be it. So let me show you real quick. Oh, that's my email system. So here is how the sales page looks. I mean, here's the sales funnel, right? So this is a capture page. This is created for you. You don't have to create this. So what happens is someone goes to your link, they go here, they put their email in, you're building your email list. And then it takes them through the automations, okay? This is how total strangers buy from us. This is how you make money while you're sleeping, okay? I've had many $900 days. I've had many days where I wake up and I woke up to money. Like I made $900 in my sleep. I've had $1,800 days. I've seen people have $10,000 days. Okay, two people have made over $1 million with this business. We have 100 people have made over six figures with this business. So it's work. It works. It's proven to work. Okay, and like I said, I tried so many things. I made no money until I started this business. Now I made thousands, and I've learned so many things. Like I've learned how to make money in my sleep. I've learned how to build my email list. I've learned how to track customers, build my brand, grow my social media following. So many things. Mindset stuff. So many things. So they go here. They go here. Sales funnel. Here's another another email another video that we sent out on the email, and it takes them back to the sales page, the website. So these are the four products, okay, that we sell. These are educational products, training, information, education. Okay, that's what it is. So these are four different products so someone's going to go to your website, this website that's created for you, and they purchase one of these 100, 300, 600, or 900. Most people buy the 900 because it has the most value. Because when you get the 900, you get four income streams. Okay. When you get the 100, you only have one income stream, right? 12 sales of 900, that's 10,800 bucks. 12 sales of 100, that's only 1,200 bucks. So of course, the 900 is the best. You earn 100% profit. Your website looks like this, right? You become a certified reseller of the program. Okay. There's all these testimonials. See my picture here? You just put your picture in because you're branding yourself. Okay. Just showing you what the website looks like. Here's me hanging out with the creator of the program. She's made over $6 million in 2.5 years. I'm actually going to meet her in a few days because we do live events like masterminds and stuff to help you grow your business. So we also do live events. So there's so much you want this kind of support. You want a community where people are actually going to support you and help you. You don't want to build your business by yourself. It's just going to take longer. It's not as fun. It's so much better when people are actually helping you. Okay. So this is what your website looks like. Just showing you real quick. You can check it out again at sevenfiguremonk.com. So if you want to get started with this program, you just purchase one of the programs. You purchase one of them, and then you pay $39 for your website, and that's it. It's a one-time purchase. There's zero monthly fees. And if you start at the lower level, you can upgrade, but you got 30 days to upgrade, and you got to pay the website fee every time you upgrade. So it's better to start at the 900 because then you get everything all at once and you don't have to upgrade. But you can always start at a lower level and work your way up if you want to. And there's also payment plans available. So keep in mind, payment plans available for you and for your customers. So whatever I'm explaining to you now, you can also explain to your customers. Okay. So 100, 300, 600 people go to your website. They can purchase one of the programs. So there's options. There's different options for people, right? That's cool. So you got different options for people because not everyone, not everyone's like ready to just drop it 900 bucks because they're afraid or something or they're broke. They're broke as a joke. If you can't afford 900 bucks, man, that's a problem. That means you need to start this business. Okay. So there's different options for different people, and then you get these bonuses, and that's it. That's what the website looks like. That's what the automated sales funnel looks like. I just wanted to show you it real quick. So these pages are out there working for you 24/7. Okay. And then once you purchase the program and you get started, you're going to see this. This is, oh, wait, go back. Where is it? Yeah, okay. This is where you can access your product. We store them in Kajabi. So there's certification training. This is going to show you the do's and the don'ts of this business and how to promote it, how to do it the right way. What is it? Digital marketing, attraction marketing. So that's what the product is. It's the information. It's the training. It's these video modules. That's the product. Okay, education. It's education. It's the e-learning industry. It's a $1 billion a day industry. Okay, it's a $1 billion a day industry, and it's projected to be a $3 billion a day industry soon in 2027. Then you get these bonuses are here. And then you just got to enter. Once you get started, you want to just go inside of your program, go here, click here to get started. One of the first things you need to do is set up your website. So go to website setup. You have to go to GoDaddy. You got to get a domain and an email address. Okay, we show you how to do that. And then you got to set up your payment gateways. This is how we get paid through PayPal, Stripe, Square, things like that. Payment processors, payment gateways. And then after that, you just got to go through this trainings and set your system up. It's going to look like this. Remember, that's your system. Okay. You set up your system, and then after that, we have this training that shows you how to go from launch to profit in 7 days. It's a launch kit for your business. This is going to show you how to get your first sale in 7 days. And then after that, you just go through the rest of the training, like marketing and social media training, mastering storytelling on social media, branding your business, okay? How to post free ads, affiliate marketing, email marketing, how to use ChatGPT. All this is the product, the education, the training, the information, okay? Now let's go inside of our community. And let's see, are people making money with this business? Well, of course they are, but I'll just show you some real proof right now. Are people making money with the business? Show me the money. Show me the money. Look, she's made six figures in 11 months, guys. And she had to borrow money to start this business, and she's made six figures in 11 months, over $100,000. Okay. So people post their wins here. That's what people do. It could be all kinds of wins. It could be anything. Ellen, he made $900 in the morning. He's made $90,000 in 18 months by following the blueprint, guys. They're following our blueprint. That's how they're getting the wins. So that's two wins right there. Let's just go to one more page because that's only two. Let's see some more. First 900. She got her first 900, Maria. Okay. Because our top selling product sells for 900. Most people buy that. She woke up to $900, guys, because our business is fully automated. So there you go. Jesse, she made $2,300. Boom. So $900 while in the pool. So yeah, people are making money every single day, every single day. And then if you go into the classroom, there's more trainings here. You know, there's a lot of trainings here. We do these 90-day runs. We show you how to make 30K in 90 days. Imagine if you made 30K in 90 days. How would you feel? Probably ecstatic, probably blissed out, probably pretty good, right? So that's what we teach you how to do. So there's a daily training that's like 2 to 5 minutes. You watch that every day. It's going to help you with your mindset and your strategy to attract customers. And then in our calendar, this shows you where the live events are happening, the live interactive mentoring and stuff like that. And that's that. And then once you get your business set up, remember you purchase a program, you pay your $39, you get your business set up, and then you're just following our 2 hour workday. You watch the launch to profit in 7 days, get your first sale in 7 days, because all you need is one sale and then your business is free. And then every sale, like one sale, you get your investment back basically, and then everything after that is profit. So all you need to do is get 2 sales and you're in profit, which is wild. Okay. So what kind of content do you post? Well, like I said, we have a 2 hour workday. So you create 3 pieces of content a day and go live. You can post free ads. So if you see my content, check it out. Like I do long videos on YouTube. I do short videos. Most people do a lot of short videos. Okay.
Just have to do one
So
thing.
this are like talking videos, really easy to do, less than a minute. Less than a minute, just copy and paste the titles, copy, paste. That's it. That's what I'm saying. All I do is copy and paste and create videos. I copy and paste from like ChatGPT. Like here's just a picture of me with words on the screen and some trending audio. So I just copy and paste. Like I tell ChatGPT, create like 30 relatable words for me, like in a text overlay that I can put on the screen and then that's it. ChatGPT will do the work for you. That's what I'm saying. Copy, paste, post. That's all you're doing. Oh, what did I do here? What did I do here? Okay. Yep. So here's another picture post, another talking post. That's it. You can check out my content and get some ideas. Here's a B-roll video. I'm just like dancing at a club in the ship. I was on a cruise ship. This is a silent disco. Okay. I put words on the screen, relatable words. That's it. Okay. That's posting content. Now let's post free ads. I'll show you how to post free ads. You can post free ads basically any part in the world because they're going online and looking for ways to make money, right? Like millions of people a month look for ways to make money, guys. And then they find our program and they join it because it's the best program out there for making money. We solve the problem. People have a problem. They have a lack of time. They have a lack of money. So our program solves that problem, right? Because we have a 2 hour workday and you can earn up to $900 per sale. That's high ticket marketing. So it solves the money problem and it solves the time problem. Okay, this is my ad. Let me just space it out a little bit. It looks a little, I like to space my ads a little bit. Looks a little better. Okay, space my ad out. Yep. So 900 incentives. You don't have to fill this out, but I just will. My name is Dan. Company name, sevenfiguremonk.com. That's my company name. Just like your company name, your domain is your company, it's your brand. Okay, so choose the right domain name. Where's my posting ad pics? Where's my posting? There it is. Okay, now I just got to put a picture on my ad. Boom. There's one. Let me get another one. Boom. Two pics. Okay, now let me post it. So somebody can go online and they find this ad and they purchase one of the products from me and I get paid instantly 100% profit. Okay, this is what my ad looks like. It's going to take people to my capture page and it's going to take people to my YouTube channel. So I can build my YouTube channel, which is pretty cool. Okay, I showed you everything. If you have questions, drop it in the comments. If you want to get started, just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. The link's in the description. So make sure to like this video and share this video with someone who needs it. Like if you know someone who has a lack of time, they have a lack of money, they're sick and tired of being overworked and underpaid. They're sick of dealing with financial stress. They want to make money. They want to be wealthy. They want to be free, but they don't know how. Then just share this program with them. Just share this video because this could save their life. Okay. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. God bless.